Looking to make some extra cash without breaking the bank? With just a small investment of $25 per week, you can start your journey to earning over $5,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right. It's possible. In this video, I'll show you and John simple and practical tips that investors keep secret. I'll show you the DRIP strategy and how you can make it even better. And in the end, I'll show you how using this strategy, you can turn a $25 per week investment into an over $500,000 portfolio paying over $5,000 in monthly dividends. So grab your 25 bucks and let's get started on the path to financial success. Everything needs a strategy. You need to plan out what you need and how to get there. The same is the case with investing. In our case, our goal is to retire and still have free monthly payments as if you never retired from a job. But the problem is, we only have $25 per week to spare. So the only strategy for this is using the DRIP investment strategy. DRIP, or Dividend Reinvestment Plan, is a smart way to grow your investments over time. Think of it like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. Instead of soil and water, you use your dividends to buy more shares, which then generate more dividends, creating a cycle of growth. Here's how it works. Imagine you own shares in a company that pays dividends. Instead of taking those dividends as cash, you reinvest them to buy more shares. This means you own more shares, which in turn generate even more dividends. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger with each revolution. One of the key benefits of DRIP is compound interest. When you reinvest your dividends, you buy more shares, and when those shares pay dividends, you reinvest them as well. This snowball effect leads to exponential growth over time. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose there's a stock that's worth $20 per share and you own 100 shares of that company. It pays a $1 dividend per share each year. At the end of year one, you'll have $100 in dividends. Instead of cashing out, you reinvest and buy 5 more shares of the stock. Now you have 105 shares of the company. The next year, instead of receiving $100, you'll get $105 in dividends. The following year, you'll own 110 shares, then 120, and so on, each time increasing the dividend amount. Over time, your investment grows larger and larger thanks to the power of compound interest. Another benefit of DRIP is dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, you buy shares regularly regardless of whether the market is up or down. This helps to smooth out the highs and lows, averaging out the cost per share over time. Let's see how this works. Suppose you invest $100 every month in a company's DRIP. Some months, the share price might be high, so you'll buy fewer shares. In other months, the share price might be low, so you'll buy more shares. Over time, your average cost per share will be somewhere in between, helping to reduce the impact of market fluctuations. Finally, DRIP offers the convenience of automatic investment. Once you set up a DRIP with your broker, it takes care of everything for you. You don't have to worry about manually reinvesting your dividends or timing your purchases. It's a streamlined process that helps you stay focused on your long-term goals. In the end, I'll show you how this DRIP strategy can turn a small investment of $25 per week into over $500,000 portfolio that pays over $5,000 per month. But for that, you need to improve the DRIP strategy. Now here's how you can supercharge the DRIP investing strategy by contributing a set amount every week, month, or year. For this video, I'm investing $25 per week in my portfolio. That's $100 per month or $1,200 per year. Let me break down how this investment can make a significant impact on my investment journey. Firstly, by increasing my contribution to $25 per week, I'm accelerating the pace at which I buy more shares. With more money going into my portfolio regularly, I'll be able to purchase additional shares more frequently. This means I'll benefit from compounding at a faster rate as each new share I acquire starts generating dividends sooner. Adding more money every week helps you take better advantage of dollar cost averaging. This means I spread out my purchases over time, so I buy shares when prices are high and when they're low, reducing the impact of big price swings. Putting in $25 each week is simple, and it fits into my budget without trouble. And with DRIP, I don't have to worry about remembering to invest. It's done automatically. By using DRIP and adding money regularly, I'm setting myself up for more growth. My portfolio should keep getting bigger over time as I keep putting money in and reinvesting dividends. Now, when it comes to building a successful DRIP